Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to save Instagram stickers. Alright, so let's begin. If you want to save Instagram stickers, the process is very simple and only takes a few steps inside the app. First, open your Instagram application on your phone. Once the app opens, tap on the messages icon at the bottom of the screen to access your direct messages. Next, choose any chat where you would like to send and save a sticker. After opening the chat, look at the bottom right corner of the message box and tap on plus icon. Here, you'll see the stickers option. Tap on it and select any sticker you like, then send it in the chat. Once the sticker has been sent, tap and hold on that sticker directly inside the chat. Then tap on more options. From the available options, tap on favorite. This will add the sticker to your saved or favorite stickers collection. After adding it to your favorites, you can view all your saved stickers anytime. Simply open a chat again, tap on the stickers icon and go to the favorites or view section at the bottom right. There you will find all the stickers you've saved, and that's it. So that's basically how you can save Instagram stickers. So that's all for this video.